Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to know if someone saved your number in WhatsApp. So today I will show you how to check the someone number saved of yours or not. So you have to open your WhatsApp and there is go to three dots and there is new broadcast. So you will have to select the two of some randomly. So I will select two of some contacts, so I will know he has saved my number or not. So I will, when new broadcast create, and I will on the broadcast I will click to send hi. So for if the double tick, it has been saved your number. If double tick to not, only single tick, so it will very sure that someone's, the two contacts will not save your number in his phone. So it's very easy to check someone saved your number in WhatsApp or not. So this is single tick, so they will not saved. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.